Welcome back to Day in the Life of an Engineer, episode 3. Today we're doing a conversion from a regular boiler to a combi boiler. We're here at Cameron's house. Cameron owns a YouTube channel called TheDIYGuy. On there he shows you all different DIY tasks, how to do things around the house, to teach you new skills and how to save money. Let's go say hi.
Good morning, morning. Should we go in and take a look?
Let's have a look. We're now in the attic. Right, so we've got a floor standing Green Star CDI regular boiler. On the wall here we've got our electrics, we've got a twin channel programmer which got separate times for heating and hot water. Boilers here, we've got a filter down the bottom there, a pump here and then your 3-port valve. The 3-port valve diverts heating and hot water. And over here we've got a pressure relief valve, but all this is coming out, getting replaced for nice new pipes. We're now upstairs, we've got a hot water cylinder. Up here you've got your water vessel and this is a pressurized system. As this is a conversion, this is all coming out, giving the customer so much more space for storage. We're now in the attic and as you can see behind me we've got the cold water tank. As this is a conversion, this is also coming out, which is going to be a very difficult job to do.
Do you?
Right, so we're draining out the old regular boiler. For your new combi boiler, we're going to need a flow and return, a hot and cold, and gas. For the flow and return, we're going to get from the current boiler position and we're going to run it over our head in this nice little channel to the new boiler. Luckily for us, we've got a sink down here, so we're going to run and tee into the hot and cold that runs underneath. Other side of the room now, we're getting the gas through here underneath the cupboards. If you want to come have a look. Hello. We're getting the gas through the garage, all the way, running through all the cupboards, past the sink. We're here in the garage, this is the gas meter. We've tested it, isolated it, and now it's safe to work on. On this particular job, we've got a lead going into steel pipe. This can't be used for this particular boiler as it is a 35 kilowatt, it requires a lot of gas. So we're going to be running 28 mil from the gas unit, all the way along here inside the garage, to a convenient hole we will make through here, straight into that utility room, straight into the boiler. Smells divine.
What a lad. This looks better, doesn't it?
This is the installation pack that the engineers will bring on the day. This is the Worcester 8000 style, a very nice, attractive boiler. You get a standard Worcester flue with this particular boiler and this particular job. We've also got a Hive thermostat to control it inside the house. You've got your fittings, your cleaner, and you've also got your system filter, which is also from Worcester. Depending on what boiler you get, this may change.
Don't be filming too much, I've got no MOT.
Right then, midday update. We've done the 28 mil gas onto the gas meter, going down, through here, all the way. And then we've got a nice hole going straight into that utility room that we showed before. Let's go see it inside. As you can see, the cylinder has all been removed, the vessel's been out, and there's plenty of storage space now for a person to fit in. There's loads of room and that's a great benefit for the customer. The lads are cracking on, we've come out for a bit of a chit chat. Cameron, what have you found easy that you thought was going to be really hard?
For me, I think it would be tiling. When I first saw someone tile, I thought that looks mega difficult.
And it was easy?
Yeah, since I've been doing it, it's all in your setting out. Once you've done your setting out, the tiling itself I find really, really easy.
Nice.
And I was surprised by that.
Right, so you've hit 100,000, you've got 138,000 roughly today.
Yeah.
What did it feel like when you actually hit 100,000?
It was something that I never expected would happen, obviously. Because most people don't expect it to happen, but once it did, I was buzzing, you know, told everybody and hung it straight on the wall. It's like,
oh, you got the plaque already, have you?
Yeah,
You got the plaque?
yeah,
oh, that's pretty decent.
It's an amazing feeling.
We'll get there one day with our Heats YouTube channel. We will get 100,000.
Yeah.
Decent. So what is your favourite video?
Now you got me thinking. I think it's got to be between. I did a video about how to turn pallets into planters.
Oh, right, okay.
I really enjoyed making it. A lot of carpentry work, but the video didn't do that well on YouTube for some reason.
It's always the case though.
Sometimes you make a really long video and it doesn't do that well, and sometimes you make a quick video and it does a lot better than you expected. The other video is, or the other possible favourite is probably an underfloor heating leak. Really enjoyed that.
Oh, okay. Yeah. What was it? Finding the leak, was that the best part?
We actually found the leak off camera with a thermal imaging camera.
Okay.
And then we filmed a bit about repairing the leak under
Yeah.
the floor. But I really enjoyed plumbing, so I quite enjoyed that challenging little video. It was quite a hard one to actually film because it's a small space and you're trying to get the camera in and everything. But no, enjoyed. They're probably my two favourites.
Yeah, so you're the DIY guy, you go through a lot of tools, you get sent a lot of tools.
Yeah.
What's been your favourite tool, or recently a tool you've been really impressed with?
For me, it's the Milwaukee M12, the little compact.
Oh, the
little red compact combi drill. Goes in anywhere, it's got plenty of power. If you're doing things above your head, it's just ideal.
Yeah, perfect. No, brilliant. So cheers for that, nice little interview there. Let's go see what the boys are doing. First time!
Done that before.
Boiler's all installed, as you can see, absolutely beautiful boiler. Pipe work, excellent, clips all in nice and neat. We've basically gone from a standing Worcester Green Star CDI regular boiler, took out the old filter, the old pump, everything's now gone, the cylinder upstairs is gone, the cold tanks in the attic, everything's gone now, it's just this one combi boiler on its own, does the whole system. Bish bash bosh.
Oh, look at that!
Oh, show camera in this one.
Oh, it's even worse! Might need some more tissue.
So this is a MagnaCleanse. This is what we've just done to the system here. This is two very strong magnets. This is when they are nice and clean. We'll show footage of what we've just done inside this bowl. Full of sludge, full of metal. It's pretty rank, to be honest with you. You get two pipes. This hooks onto the return of the system and fires through, and then you get an agitator. Get this on the end of a drill, and we go around and agitate every radiator to see if it can release some sort of metal on the bottom. The metal then goes through the pipes, sticks to the magnet, and then we just clean them out into this bowl and throw it away. This is a great addition to have on your install, especially if your system is over 10 years old. There's a lot more sludge going to build up over that time period. This will improve the efficiency of your boiler if there is less sludge in the system. That's it for the sort of install. We're going to go back inside now, show you the finished product, and call it a day. We're all done with the install then. Combi boiler's installed. Great work from Nick and Martin from Just Boilers Nationwide Limited. And we've got the Green Star CDI floor standing boiler is now gone. We've got rid of the filter, the pump, the 3-port valves all gone. All been removed, and it's just a simple filter on the wall, pipes through the ceiling to the nice new combi.
It's a really good job. Appreciate you guys, including the guys from Just Boilers Nationwide who did the install. Yeah, amazing. Appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. That's us all wrapped up at Cameron's house. Lovely job, lovely boiler. We're gonna head back to Bolton now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. This has been iHeat.